Uniesse Marine has made waves in the luxury yacht industry with the unveiling of its Raptor 112 Superyacht, a remarkable vessel that sets a new standard for performance and elegance in its size category. Combining cutting-edge technology with exquisite design, the Raptor 112 promises to offer an unparalleled experience for discerning yacht owners and enthusiasts alike. At an impressive 112 feet in length, the Raptor 112 stands out not only for its size but also for its sleek, aerodynamic profile. Designed to turn heads on the water, this superyacht features elegant lines and a contemporary aesthetic that reflect Uniesse Marine's commitment to innovative design. The exterior boasts expansive deck spaces, perfect for relaxation and entertainment, while the well-appointed interiors provide a luxurious retreat for guests. One of the standout features of the Raptor 112 is its remarkable performance capabilities. Powered by a pair of robust engines, the yacht can reach top speeds of up to 33 knots, making it one of the fastest in its class. This performance is complemented by an advanced hull design that enhances stability and maneuverability, ensuring a smooth ride even in challenging conditions. Whether cruising along the coast or navigating through open waters, the Raptor 112 offers an exhilarating experience for both captain and guests. Uniesse Marine has also prioritized comfort and luxury in the interior layout of the Raptor 112. The yacht can accommodate up to 8 guests in 4 beautifully designed cabins, each featuring ensuite bathrooms. The master suite is particularly noteworthy, offering stunning views and opulent amenities that create a serene atmosphere for relaxation. High-quality materials and finishes throughout the interior add to the overall sense of luxury, making every moment spent on board an indulgent experience. In addition to its stunning accommodations, the Raptor 112 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and entertainment systems. A fully equipped galley allows for gourmet meal preparation, while spacious dining and lounging areas provide the perfect settings for entertaining guests. Advanced navigation and control systems ensure ease of operation, allowing even novice captains to handle the yacht with confidence. The outdoor spaces of the Raptor 112 are designed with entertainment and relaxation in mind. The expansive flybridge features ample seating, sunbathing areas, and even a hot tub, creating an ideal setting for soaking up the sun and enjoying breathtaking views. The main deck also offers additional outdoor seating and dining options, ensuring that guests can enjoy the beauty of the sea in comfort and style. Sustainability is another key focus for Uniesse Marine, and the Raptor 112 incorporates eco-friendly features to minimize its environmental impact. The yacht is designed with fuel efficiency in mind, allowing for longer journeys while reducing emissions. This commitment to sustainability aligns with the growing demand among yacht owners for more responsible and eco-conscious options in luxury boating. The launch of the Raptor 112 comes at a time when the luxury yacht market is experiencing renewed interest, with buyers seeking vessels that offer both performance and elegance. Uniesse Marine's dedication to craftsmanship and attention to detail positions the Raptor 112 as a formidable contender in this competitive landscape. The limited production of this model adds an element of exclusivity, making it an attractive option for collectors and enthusiasts. As the Raptor 112 makes its debut, it is poised to capture the attention of yacht aficionados and potential buyers worldwide. The combination of luxury, speed, and cutting-edge technology places the Raptor 112 in a class of its own, offering an experience that is both thrilling and refined. With its impressive specifications and elegant design, Uniesse Marine's latest creation is set to redefine expectations in the world of superyachts. In conclusion, the Uniesse Marine Raptor 112 Superyacht represents a significant advancement in luxury and performance for vessels of its size. With its powerful engines, luxurious accommodations, and commitment to sustainability, this yacht is designed to meet the demands of the modern yacht owner. As it sets sail, the Raptor 112 not only highlights Uniesse Marine's dedication to quality and innovation but also serves as a benchmark for future developments in the superyacht industry. The Raptor 112 is not just a mode of transportation, it is a lifestyle statement for those who appreciate the finer things in life on the open water.